Hakapakut kata kasngi kala posisha hakabamta kasngi ka parti kabayalam ya ka sarkar jela kata ka National People Party kala Pdiang burom sundon ya Dr. D.D Lapang Menteri Rangba Barim ka jela syapo la ka Slem hadin bol amino na ka parti Kongres hakakat sautrik unailur arjakat pra hakabala Pdiang burom ya Dr. Lapang da Menteri Rangba ka jela ubaderu National President ka NPP Konrad K Sangma hakajinga don laru kiwi-kiwi kinongilam bakhamat ka parti lembat ki menteri jong ka sarkar jela. Hakani ka Pdiang burom ya Dr. Lapang laidon langru da uba prestun tengsong ubade usembut menteri rangba ka jela Dr. WR Karluki ubade upstate president ka NPP umas nyau bahalang dhar uba HS sela uba dasakiat bahar lamare lembat giwi-giwi kinongelam ka parti NPP kumju ki MLA napo ka parti NPP katba ya ka program Pdiang burom la penyai da uba sostine sotun MLA ka jirang konstituensi nalor Dr. D.D Lapang la Pdiang burom ru ya ki khatsan ngut kinongelam paiba bapa khmat jong ka Themrebo district Kibalai Sno syaka parti NPP. Hapok kajing yalam jong Dr. Lapang. Kibakentup ya uba RR kensai makodo. Uba RB syadap. Kibadai kinong yalam barat ba ka parti Kongres. Hakipor balaliknyo. Uba Min Makri. Working President kari Bhoi District Congress Committee. Uba Watson Kakrang. Ubadai uwe ni kinong yalam ba khmat jong ka parti PDF. Uba Batru ya kakam kum State Youth Vice President. Bat Youth President ka Sening Constituency. Uba Donlang Soklet. Uba Najim Khalmaki. Uwe ni kinong yalam barat ba. Jong kathan Western Bhoi ka Kong Santi Jarwa Presiden ka Mahoti Mahila Block Congress Committee lembat kiwi-kiwi kinong ilam kontubru iki palat spangut kiwi pat kipat nongkyrshan kibadon ka jingiet bat nongkyrshan yau mahe Dr. D.D Lapang.
Your association with my late father, when you were reciting the entire history of what and how he worked for the state of Meghalaya and for the country, glimpses of him and you standing together and always working together for the people of Meghalaya and the people of the Northeast in general kept coming in my mind and in my vision. Therefore, this is a very emotional moment also for me to be able to see a person of the stature of Dr. D.D Lapang today being with us, joining hands with us to take the cause and take the vision of the National People's Party forward. That is to take the vision of uniting the people of the Northeast and bringing us to the same platform. The vision to take our state forward, the vision to take the Northeast forward so that our region, our youth, our areas can also be developed like the rest of the world is developed. And with this idea and vision today, we are moving forward. And Sir D.D Lapang has today joined us. It is indeed a really historic and a very memorable moment for each and every one of us. At the same time, it gives me great pain, I must tell you, great pain to see the kind of treatment, I should say, that certain political parties have given to such a senior leader who has not just dedicated his life to the people of Meghalaya, but he has dedicated his life to building the Congress party also. And yet, when the time came, the Congress party did not appreciate even 1% of the sacrifices that Dr. D.D Lapang has made to strengthen the Congress at that time. It pains me to see that the Congress has adopted a policy of use and throw. And I really wonder that if the Congress party can use and throw a person like Dr. D.D Lapang, who has served as a Chief Minister of Meghalaya so many times, I don't know what they would do to a common citizen of the state and a common voter of their party if they dare to do that to a person like Dr. D.D Lapang. I think it reflects a lot on the kind of values that the party is showing. And that is why you're seeing today throughout the country, people are rejecting the Congress. Therefore today, I do feel pain. And I want to tell you that for the NPP, we respect our seniors. We respect our elders. And a person like Dr. D.D Lapang coming into the National People's Party is something that is going to add tremendous value to the party. I know it. The kind of experience he has, the kind of knowledge he has about the Northeast, and most importantly, his desire to continue working for the people, the passion that he has, is something that I deeply respect. Every time I speak to him, he's always concerned about our state, our people, about the Northeast, about the country as a whole. I remember after he resigned on the 14th of September, I went to meet him. When I met him, we did not discuss about politics. Today our flag of North NPP is flying high from all the corners of the Northeast. We have our 7 MLAs in Arunachal Pradesh, our Deputy Chief Minister and ministers in Manipur, our ministers in Nagaland, and of course we have our government out here in Meghalaya. And I can assure you that in the coming years and coming months, our party will grow from strength to strength. And the reason I keep telling people is that we are a party that has a mission. We are a party that has got a focus. The National People's Party is a party that is working for the people, and it is there with a purpose. It is not like any other political party that only thinks about contesting the election and simply talks about schemes. We are a political party that has an agenda to always work for the people of the Northeast. And I'm sure that with the coming of Dr. D.D Lapang, we will be more enriched and we will be able to take up more issues. And I'm sure that other friends of Dr. D.D Lapang, all the other leaders who he is closely associated, will also be coming to the party. I have been talking to many leaders, and Sir Lapang has also been speaking to many leaders that he knows. I cannot give out details right now, but I can tell you that many people are coming. This is just the beginning. You will see many more people really seeing the ideas that we have, and they will want to join with the party, not just in our state of Meghalaya, but in the entire Northeast region. My friends, Dr. D.D Lapang, of course, needs no introduction. He is a man who has served selflessly, not just for Nongpo and for Bhoi district, which he himself created, but for the entire state and entire region. I know that his values and his experience will help us a long way in taking things forward. For Bhoi district, as a government, Bhoi district is very, very crucial and very important for us. We strongly feel that there is a huge economic opportunity for the people of Bhoi district, provided that the government comes out with correct policies and takes up strong infrastructure projects in this area. And I'm happy to inform you that our government has taken note of that, and we are giving special status and special work for the district of Bhoi. In fact, Bhoi in the whole state of Meghalaya has been declared as an aspirational district, which means that all of Government of India's schemes, different educational schemes, different infrastructural schemes, different social sector schemes will be given more importance in this aspirational district compared to maybe other districts. All our districts require the development, but since only one district could be selected for the aspirational district, it started with Bhoi. We're very happy to tell you that we will be having residential schools that will be set up by Government of India. We'll be having different colleges that are coming up in Bhoi district. Model colleges will come up in the district of Bhoi. And different projects of road construction for which our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has been working tirelessly. Many road projects will be coming up out here, apart from other development aspects also. The government is planning many more things out here, but it would not be appropriate for me to state all those issues right now as they are still in a planning stage. But I can tell you that we as a government are working very aggressively, not just for the entire state, but specifically for Bhoi district, as we see a huge economic opportunity for the people of the district out here, so that we can create jobs out here and lift the livelihood of the people of Bhoi district and the state as a whole. Coming back to politics and the party, I also like to welcome all the leaders of Dr. D.D Lapang and who were earlier in the Congress and other political parties who have today joined the NPP. And I would take this opportunity to also ask all our block leaders, all our polling station leaders, all our district leaders, that we must welcome each and every one of them. We must make them feel at home. We must accept them and work together to strengthen the party and to take the state forward. And I can assure each and every member who has come in today and joined the National People's Party that you are welcome to our family, and I can assure you that you will always be treated the same way like any other member of the NPP is treated. You will always be close to our hearts, and we will do everything possible in our capacity to always help you and always work with you to strengthen the party as well as the region. My friends, you are aware that we are about to face a number of elections. We have the district council elections coming up, and we do have the Lok Sabha election coming up. It is very important that our strategy is very important, that our grassroots work and organization must be strengthened at this time. The National People's Party has stated many times that we are a political party that is going to represent the Northeast issues and the aspirations of the people of the Northeast. Therefore, we are aspiring and we are targeting to ensure that we try to spread our party and if possible, even contest in all the 24 seats in the Northeast, so that we can truly represent and show ourselves to be a Northeast party having candidates and MPs in different states of the Northeast, including Assam, Arunachal, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura. We will aspire and work towards trying to set up candidates, MP candidates in all other states also, and if possible in all 24 states, so that the message and the confidence goes to the people that yes, this party truly is the party of the Northeast. And yes, we might get success, we may not get success, but our entire passion and our aspiration will continue, and we would like to see that the party grows from strength to strength, and we can spread our wings in the entire Northeast.
More down to earth, with common people, covered by humility, honesty in practice, and also using the force of the intelligence that they have for the development of the thing. Now, the NPP happens to be the national party, but deep down on the earth, the president is from our own community, Konrad Sangma, who is that. In order political party, national party, they seldom get the chairman. Now under his leadership, at the same time achievements and all aspiration of the people of the state will be there. As I have decided to involve myself the rest of my career, I have chosen NPP to be the better channel to see that Meghalaya will have to see brighter days.
How many more will join you?
thousands of people will join. But they're not gathering because they have to observe the formalities, have to submit to the unit, and then they say we don't want to violate the formalities. I don't want to see that we stumble the thing, but they're coming thousands today. And from all the 5 constituencies. Even today, representatives coming from all the 5 constituencies, despite the fact that the time they use the party harvest time and all, still they never think come here because they feel the call to the service is there. Christian, I'm strong Christian, I continue to be Christian, and I don't interfere in that. Since the MPA feel that if one of their partners, coalition partners, BJP is up to them, they can't be in. But we will say that they should not stand on the way, the culture, the traditional way of life, their faith and everything.